Gotcha. Gotcha.
Hey traders, I have nothing to sell to you as I always say. So this is the performance of last week. Yeah, we started off with some losses, $8, $8, $8, 7, 5. Then we went into profit. As you can see, that's how we closed the week. So today, look at this. So guys, as you know, we have been holding this position since last week Thursday. Yeah, we are now $156 or $160 up. The GBP USD heading it with 29, or USD with 21, and the rest as follows. And I re-entered more positions of the odd USD and the GBP USD. Let me show you guys where I entered from. This is the daily time frame. Look at our target. This is our TP target. That's where we're going to be hitting. So this strategy here I've been teaching you guys, this profit exploding strategy, this is my exact strategy that I formulated. Yeah, through understanding ICT and also understanding retail traders, having both perspectives of the market through the eyes of ICT and through the eyes of retail. So this strategy I formulated for myself, and it's really doing wonders, as you can see. Look at all this. Emphasis even closed GBP USD. I want to close the upper one. I'll close this one. Close that one. Then order also close one. Yeah. But this is how it looks like. Our initial positions were entered from here. Look where we put all our stop losses. Then we have that break. Yeah, the break of previous structure. We have the deep retest and the second retest. Look at what price did. It's going to the upside. Let's check the 1 hour time frame. Here also the break of this structure here, this consolidation, and look at what price did, rally to the upside. So guys, I'll be back with a simple explanation of how I re-entered these positions in the market here. So be patient. Kind of doing something right now, but I'll be back. Let's go. Hey, there's a reason as to why they call me the top FOREX G. This is what I do. Really out here making this dough. Simple things, simple strategy, new strategy, my exact strategy, profit exploding strategies. You know what I mean? So watch this. We've been holding these positions for a long time. Yeah. I think just because it's still January, but if it was, look at this, TP is almost hit. I think we are shy of like 10 pips. Let me show you. 17 to, what is that? Count 24. Only like 6 pips. Yeah. So we get the permission to close this trade. You know what I mean? That's what the GBP USD. So peep this. Break and retest. The break, double bottom retest. We enter that trade right there. Boom. You guys. Yeah. So I'm going to break down this trade of how exactly I enter into these trades. But before we get into that, let me first close some position as you're watching. Let me close some positions here. I'll close two. Who said you can't be trading small positions and make a lot like this? You don't need to be trading big positions if you don't have a big account, right? You have to understand risk management. Yeah. Don't be too wise. You have to be robotic. Yeah. Professors, like educated people, have tried bullying these markets here, but it ain't never happened. You can never bully the market. You cannot never outsmart the market. You just have to be robotic. You know what I mean? You just have to be robotic to the market. Don't try to be smart out here. I hear you over trading. You're trying to flip a small account using big lot size or something of that sort. That shit don't work here, man. Take that shit somewhere else. I think that don't work here. You have to be robotic. You have to get a plan, follow the plan to the T. You have to be a soldier in the market. You have to be disciplined, right? That's the thing. That's the meaning of discipline. You get a plan. You be like, I'm taking this number of trades this week, and you stick to that. And I'm taking this amount of days of trades per these days. Yeah. And you don't have to trade each and every day. And I have content telling you guys all about that. You know what I mean? Odd USD. This is just so simple. Sniper entries everywhere. I believe this is still going to the upside, so I'll close like this. I'll leave one still rolling. I'll close some odd USDs. Close. So I think I'll leave two odd USDs. Then I'll leave 2 GBP USDs. So you can see odd USD 0.01. That's $9. That's 90 pips. 90 pips, baby. GBP USD $16 divided by 2. That is 80 pips, baby. 80 pips. I'm the peep lord. I am him. It is what it is. I'm the GOAT, baby. Let's go. You feel me?